Combined operatives of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG Regions 9, 10, and 11 served the warrant of arrest against Pastor Apollo Quiboloy and 5 others at the Kingdom of Jesus Christ compound in Katitipan, Davao City. However, Quiboloy and the other respondents were not in the compound when the warrant was served. Police also clarified the number of operatives who served the warrant was not overkill, as the deployment was based on how vast the target area was. The PNP again appealed to Pastor Quiboloy and the other respondents to surrender peacefully. So far, there has not been any indication the religious leader has left the country.
Para maiwasan po yung mga ganitong mga sitwasyon ay sana po ay sumuko na po sila at harapin po yung mga kasong isinampa po sa kanila para mabigyan din po sila ng pagkakataon na sagutin itong mga reklamo. At I think yung courts po ay yun po yung proper venue para sagutin po itong mga reklamong isinampa po sa kanila.